Good afternoon, folks. Kind of chilly out here today. And speaking of chili, I am making some chili on the stove here. Good day for it. Chilly day. A little chili fixing. I hope y'all enjoy this as much as I do. Good gracious. I can't wait to get in here and dig into this. Been a little hot, but hey, it'll go through. I'm guaranteeing you. Look at that. I've got a little small fire burning over here. Trying to warm the chill up a little bit. I'm going to say it's probably in the mid-30s right now. It's got a little bit of a toll on this old body, but still, it's a beautiful day out here. Sunshiny day. Good day for a fire. We had some pretty good rain in here. Night before last, it's still flooded in here a little bit. An extra creek where a creek never was. But anyway, folks, still in the same old camping place, getting myself heated up over here. Getting my chili fixed. Got it good and hot. All right. Thank you, Lord, for this day. Beautiful day. Sun shining. Animals chirping. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. Beautiful. Hit that like button, folks. Keep me going. Keep me going. I thank you and I appreciate it. You'll never know how much. Brand new channel trying to get off the ground. Now, thank you for everything, folks. Hit the like button, subscribe. I really would appreciate it. And I thank you, folks, for everything. And I hope you have a great and wonderful and blessed day.